everybody, my name is Allison Ostrander and I am the Director of Risk Tolerance here at Simpler Trading. And in today's video, I wanted to look at XLF as a potential buy to play back up at the very least into price resistance, if not for a move higher. Now, XLF has overall been in a nice trend move. More recently, we've started to get a pullback down into the A-tier trailing stop in 30. This is allowing momentum to reset. You can see we still have a valid pullback signal here, so I would like to see this one cancel out into, at the very least, a consolidating, if not a bullish signal. The other thing is I would love to see a true low setup. Not that we need it necessarily, but it has been a good place, as you can see in the past this year, to do a good discount buy, whether you're buying in shares longer term or whether you're using it for some sort of trend move higher. But currently, we're doing a good job of holding support. Bollinger Bands are flat. So if we can maintain holding this level, I do like the idea of going back up to retest around 5150, 5140, if not for the possibility of a trend move higher. You could either look to do this by jumping in shares if you want to, or of course, you could go and play the option. January would give you plenty of time to do that. You could go and jump into a long call and then look for that possibility of a run higher. If you need to control capital cost, you could always consider doing some sort of vertical spread instead. The 48.51, actually I'd probably do something like the 49.52, but right now that's about a $1.20 cost basis, $1.80 profit potential, so not a bad risk versus reward. And if you can go up here to test around that 51.40, 51.50 target, majority of the spread should be in the money to allow for a win. So kind of up to you what strategy you want to do, but that is the level I'm looking to hold. And if we break this level, then I would cancel out of the bullish trade idea. So quick stop. But plenty of room to try and play it for a move higher. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and as always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis. Bye.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.